मेथड्स ऑफ असेसिंग बायोडाइवर्सिटी तक पहुँचने का तरीका। Various methods are employed for assessing the distributions and abundance of organisms in an area. Method to assess distributions. Method वो अमल जिसके ज़रिए हम रसाई हासिल करते हैं distributions तक पहुँचना, तकसीम तक. Quadrate sampling. It involves dividing the study area into a grid and samplings within randomly selected various quadrates. This method is particularly useful. ये अमल जो है ख़ास तौर पे क्या है यूज़फुल है for studying plant populations or sessile organisms. For examples, in forest, a researcher might lay out quadrates of a fixed size and record the presence or absence of each plant species within these quadrate. Transect samplings. It involves laying out lines or strip transcript across the study area and recording species at regular intervals along these lines. This method is effective for studying the distributions of species across environment. For example, in a coastal zones, transects can be laid from the high tide line to the low tide lines to record the types and abundance of intertidal organisms. Aerial survey use aircraft or drones to observe and record the distributions of organisms over a long area. For example, it can be used to track the distributions of bird species across a large wetland area or to monitor large mammals populations in savannas. ये जो है बेटा मेथड टू असेस डिस्ट्रीब्यूशंस ऑफ ऑर्गेनिजम्स दिखाए गए डिफरेंट मेथड्स. ये पहला जो डब्बा दिखाया गया डब्बे की फॉर्म में क्वाड्रेट सैम्पलिंग है. उसके बाद क्या है ट्रांसैक्ट सैम्पलिंग दिखाई गई है लाइन की फॉर्म में. और आखिर में जो है एरियल सर्वे दिखाया गया है. उसके बाद मेथड असेस अबेंडेंस वो तरीका जिससे हम रिसाई हासिल कर सकें अबेंडेंस की. Point count involve observing and recording the numbers of individuals of a species from a fixed point over a specified period. This method is commonly used for bird and other mobile animals. Mark recaptures. It involves capturing markings and releasing the individuals of a species, then recapturing them later to estimate population size and density. This method is useful for animals that are difficult to count directly. Quadrate counts. In this method, researchers use quadrate to count the numbers of individuals of a species within each quadrate and then infer these count to estimate overall abundance. Capture recaptures method. These models accounts for variables such as variance, captures probabilities and movement between area. Remote sensing uses satellites or drone imagery to assess the abundance and distributions of species, particularly for large scale or inaccessible area.